tornado warning has now been issued for this severe thunderstorm warning in Dallas County. So this thunderstorm, and right now we are looking at this storm. It's in Irving right now, and it's moving to the east-north.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe tornado warning for the following counties: Dallas, Collin, and Denton until 6 p.m. Doppler radar indicated rotation near Dallas, moving northeast at miles above 300 miles per hour. CD-size hail and damaging winds expected. Seek shelter immediately in a sturdy building at lowest level. Mobile homes will be immediately destroyed. The storm could be fatal. Death or injuries by tornadoes are mostly caused by the debris. Stay tuned for more and more. This is a tornado emergency. Immediately take action. At 6:10 p.m., a EF8 tornado was spotted rapidly heading towards Dallas City. Doppler radar indicated rotation near, moving northeast at 800 miles per hour. Basketball darts, hail, and damaging winds expected. Seek shelter immediately in a sturdy building's lowest level. Areas affected include Dallas,